Hey guys, this is Steve from Trim That Weed. In today's video, we're going to discuss why your refrigerator is not cooling. Watch until the end of the video to learn the reasons and their quick solutions for your refrigerator when it's not cooling. Number 1. Temperature control is improperly set. Improperly setting the refrigerator's temperature control is one of the main reasons that your refrigerator may not be cooling properly. You could have mistakenly changed your refrigerator's temperature by brushing against the temperature control with your hand, especially if it's on the fridge's exterior. So, check whether your refrigerator's temperature control has been tampered with. Number 2. Condenser coils are dirty. When you don't clean off the condenser coils at the back of your refrigerator often enough, the unit cannot properly cool down. The coils could be dirty or covered with spider webs, leading to the refrigerator not cooling off enough. Number 3. Door gasket is dirty or faulty. Over time, the door seal, also known as the door gasket, accumulates dirt from fingerprints and foods, preventing the door from sealing properly. Also, the door gasket could be faulty because it is too old or worn out. When the door is not sealed properly, the refrigerator might not cool. Quick solutions for a refrigerator that is not cooling. Number 1. Reset the refrigerator's temperature control. Start by changing the thermostat to the desired temperature setting. Then give your refrigerator a few hours for its temperature to restabilize and check whether the problem has been fixed. Number 2. Cleaning the condenser coils. It is best to clean the condenser coils at the back of your refrigerator after every 6 months. To clean them, unlock the anti-tip brackets at the bottom of your refrigerator's cabinet and carefully slide out the refrigerator. Carefully clean the coils using your vacuum cleaner without damaging them. Number 3. Clean the door gasket or replace the faulty door gasket. It is best to clean the door gasket regularly by wiping them down with soapy water and a sponge. Also, you should wipe the section that the gasket touches on the fridge. If you wipe the gasket and the door still won't seal, it means that the door gasket is faulty and must be replaced. In this case, purchase a universal door gasket to replace the one on your refrigerator. Soak the new gasket in hot water for a few minutes as you loosen the screws and remove the old gasket. Fix the new gaskets as per instructions in the manual. Thanks for watching.